So you've registered and are ready to start bidding. There's one important step you need to take before your account is active. Upload your ID and applicable business licenses. All Copart members must submit a government-issue photo ID, such as a driver's license, a resident card, or passport before bidding. This can easily be done with our license upload feature. First, take a picture or scan your license. Then save the files as a PDF, JPEG, TIFF, PNG, or GIF file up to 3 megabytes. Next, under the My Account section, click Document Upload. Find your license file. Select it and click the Upload License button. License submissions are processed within 3 to 4 business days of receipt. You can check the status by visiting the Document Upload page when logged into your account. You also receive a confirmation email once your license submission has been verified. Follow this same process for any applicable Copart tax forms, sales tax licenses, state tax forms, and any state-specific operational licenses such as dealer, business, dismantler, junk, or recycler. All Copart members with a valid government-issued ID on file can bid on no license required vehicles. These vehicles do not require the bidder to have any operational licenses. You can also connect with a registered Copart broker to bid on vehicles that do require an operational license. Copart's online license uploader makes submitting your government-issued photo ID and any operational licenses a much quicker process, meaning you can start bidding and buying vehicles sooner. For more information on state licensing requirements, visit copart.com/license.